Ride a train and learn ABCs with animals I go. A's for alligator, chomp chomp fun. On the train he's ready to run. With a big mouth open wide, alligator's chomping on a fun ride. B is for bear on the run, running down the tracks, oh what fun. With a big bear hug and paws so strong, bears on the train all day long. A is for alligator, chomp chomp fun. E is for bear on the run. Choo choo, let's ride and see. Learn our ABCs with animals we. C is for cat, purring so sweet, sitting on the train, tapping her feet. With soft fur and a tail that curls, cat is dancing as the train twirls. D is for dog, barking with cheer, running beside the train is near. With floppy ears and a happy bark, dog loves the ride through the park. A is for cat, purring so sweet. D is for dog, running on his feet. Choo choo, let's ride and see. Learn our ABCs with animals we. E is for elephant, big and tall, riding on the train, having a ball. With big ears flapping in the breeze, elephant waves with so much ease. F is for frog, hopping with glee, jumping on the train, 1, 2, 3. With green skin and big long legs, frog hops around, what fun he begs. E is for elephant, big and tall, F is for frog, hopping in the hall. Choo choo, let's ride and see. Learn our ABCs with animals we. G is for giraffe, reaching the sky. With a long neck, she's soaring high, looking at the train, window wide. Giraffe sees the world as she rides. H is for horse, galloping fast, riding on the train we're going past. With hooves so swift and mane that flies, horse is racing as the train flies. G is for giraffe, reaching the sky. H is for horse, galloping by. Choo choo, let's ride and see. Learn our ABCs with animals we. I is for iguana, slow and steady, riding the train, always ready. With green scales and a tail that sways, iguana enjoys the train's cozy bays. J is for jaguar, running so fast, racing on the train, nothing can last. With spots on her coat and speed in her stride, jaguar's the fastest on the ride. I is for iguana, slow and steady, J is for jaguar, riding on is so ready. Choo choo, let's ride and see. Learn our ABCs with animals we. Now we've learned our ABCs with animals on the train so free. From A to Z we've had some fun. The animal ABC train is done.